What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best headphones in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking to save money and still get a quality product, we say check out the Jabra Elite 45, also known as the best budget headphones available on the market in 2022. We're looking at an affordable pair of wireless headphones with up to 50 hours of battery life, far more than most wireless headphones around. The Elite 45 also delivers comfort, with Jabra's typical clinical approach to sound and connectivity. The device has a comfortable fit, with soft pads in the ear cups and under the headband. This pair surprised us with a light, pleasant vibe. The headphones have a decent amount of room to move around, ensuring they fit most people comfortably. Although made entirely of plastic, the matte surface gives the Elite 45 a more high-end look and feel. Indicators on the left and right are engraved on the pads for easy reference. The buttons and USB Type-C charging port are located on the right. The Jabra Elite 45 sports a set of 40mm dynamic drivers and a 20 to 20,000 Hz frequency response range. To connect, the headset uses Bluetooth, with support for the SBC codec only. It's possible to connect to multiple points for up to 2 devices at the same time. The package includes a USB Type-C charging cable and a carrying case. You can use the Jabra Sound Plus app available for Android and iOS to see the exact battery level, change the equalizer settings, or play one of the many sound landscapes, soothing ambient sounds for everyone to mask the noise. We have to bring up those 50 hours of battery life per charge again. That's a pretty impressive number, especially for headphones at this price. As for the most important aspect, the sound, this pair offers reasonable performance with acceptable sound quality and good performance in voice calls. In addition to the strong bass, the mids and treble also sounded good in most tests. The sound contains a reasonable amount of detail and will satisfy most users. All in all, if you like the style and fit of on-ear headphones, then this is one of the best options available in this price range right now. If you're looking for headphones that offer the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the Sennheiser HD450BT, the best value option available on the 2022 market. With a minimalist design and built-in noise cancellation, these fully foldable wireless headphones are aimed directly at the traveling crowd. The Sennheiser HD450BT is designed for listening on the go and can be easily stored in the bag when not in use. Thanks to this design, the headphones take up minimal space in the bag, making them ideal for travel. At the bottom of the right side, you'll find a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm jack, buttons for controlling music playback and voice calls, as well as a dedicated button for calling your phone's voice assistant. With 30 hours of battery life, that is with active noise cancellation included, this Sennheiser model can beat some of the prominent modes on the market right now by a significant difference of up to 10 hours. Users will be glad to know that in addition to codecs such as aptX, AAC, and SBC, these cans also support aptX low latency, meaning you should not experience any annoying delay between what you see and hear on the screen. The Sennheiser HD450BT works with the Sennheiser Smart Control app, which allows you to change the equalizer settings, a cool touch that'll appeal to users who like to personalize the sound of their headphones. We found that noise cancellation works pretty well, although it seemed to be better at blocking out the lower rumbling sounds than higher pitched tones. Sennheiser is the winner at a soundstage with the HD450BT model. Detailed and clear, without sounding too dry and boring, these headphones provide a fantastic combination of high-fidelity sound with warm bass frequencies that are fun to listen to. All in all, we're pretty impressed with this pair, especially in the sonic department. The well-balanced profiles should appeal to both audiophiles and bass hunters. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about on our list for today is the Beyerdynamic DT 700 Pro X, which won the title of the best wired headphones available on the market in 2022. These studio headphones are undoubtedly amazing, deliver great sound, incredible comfort, great style, and long-lasting durability in one charming package. The Beyerdynamic DT 700 Pro X are enclosed headphones designed for powerful, vivid sound delivery for users who use them primarily for sound tracking, recording, DJing, and more. One of the first design features of these headphones is the way in which they're made to be durable and long-lasting, not only through the solid construction, but also thanks to the removable parts. The headphones are quite easy to remove. The headband lining can also be removed relatively easily, and the package includes a set of 2 cables. Sound quality is another area where these headphones shine. They're closed cans, intended primarily for creators to watch, record, and even perform live. However, they are perfectly adequate for everyday use, and we use them to listen to music, play games on the computer, and monitor the microphone while making YouTube videos. One of the favorite things about these headphones are the overall comfort and the perceived width of the sound scene being transmitted. Sublime comfort is partly provided by the light design and excellent substrates, but it mostly comes from the soft velour ear pads. They are large and deep enough to cover most of your ear, offering pleasant comfort. Following the tilt of the headband also means that the headphones fit perfectly into the shape of your head, and as a result, can cover your ears nicely. This design, together with the closed nature of the headphones, means that you can also enjoy a truly satisfactory passive noise cancellation. Note that these are not active noise canceling headphones, but when we dive into the sound, we discover that we can barely notice the outside world. As you would expect from a studio headset, the Beyerdynamic DT 700 Pro X's sound is also impressive. There is rich bass, overall warm quality, and excellent range in the frequency spectrum. They are great for music and movies and work equally well for playing games, providing a lively sound that's a treat for your ears. The silver medal and the title of the runner-up best headphones available on the market in 2022 deservedly went to Bose QuietComfort 45. As the successor of the QuietComfort 35 2 model, this model brings enhanced noise cancellation for instant silence wherever you are. Also included in the mix is a new Aware mode that lets sound from the outside world to you, better voice isolation for easier conversations, and a 24-hour battery operation on a single charge. The QuietComfort 45 headphones retain the main features of their predecessors, offering exceptional sound performance, all-day comfort and stability, maximum simple controls, ultra-reliable connectivity, and an upgraded legendary design that made the QC headset one of the most recognizable wearables ever. The QuietComfort 45 headphones have only 2 settings, both of which are achieved using a new active noise cancellation system and new electronics. In silent mode, microphones on the inside and outside of the shell work with the proprietary digital chip to sense, measure, and respond to unwanted mid-range sounds, mostly heard in the subway, business offices, or cafes. With phone calls and voice commands, the QC45 headset owners can share their noise cancellation. The beamform isolates the voices, while the bounce beam muffles and blocks noise around the speaker, such as barking dogs or machines, and prevents microphones from registering and transmitting them to the person you're talking to. This means friends, family, colleagues, and personal assistants can hear what you're saying, paving the way for more productive Zoom meetings and more accurate virtual assistant responses to everything from texting to texting and navigating smart home management. It's hard to find out how comfortable these headphones are unless you try a few other headphones that don't provide comfort. Users had QC45s on their head for hours, at home and on the go, and never felt the need to take them off to let their ears breathe. Although the competition is stronger than ever, the Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones continue to lead the industry with the best active noise cancellation you can buy. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present the Sony WH-1000XM4, the best overall headphones available on the market in 2022. For starters, the case of these headphones is made from high-strength polycarbonate to secure high resistance to shocks and falls. To this, we must add the urethane foam used in the pads to achieve comfort at height. The feeling in the hand is really positive because these headphones with a headband give a great sense of feeling of robustness and quality, which makes it clear that they are the very top solution. On the one hand, the Sony WH-1000XM4 has a USB Type-C port on the right headset, through which we'll charge the Sony WH-1000XM4. We also have a 3.5mm connector in case we run out of batteries at the worst. The autonomy of these headphones is stellar, but the possibility of connecting with a cable is a value that should be taken into account. On paper, the manufacturer promises up to 30 hours of continuous use. After analysis, we confirmed that the Sony WH-1000M4 battery will not disappoint you. The device features electrodynamic transducers and a neodymium magnet, in addition to the diaphragm formed by a 40mm driver made of liquid crystal polymer, to achieve a high acoustic landscape. Undoubtedly, one of the most diverse elements of the Sony WH-1000XM4 is its powerful noise cancellation. In this case, the manufacturer is betting on its new HD noise-canceling processor chip. And yes, the company has achieved the impossible. It slightly improves the extraordinary noise cancellation of its predecessor. As Sony stated during the presentation of the XM4, its new headphones have a new Bluetooth audio SoC chip system circuit that detects and adapts to music and noise more than 700 times per second. The icing on the cake is a dual noise sensor system, so the 2 microphones that integrate each pavilion are responsible for recording ambient noise to adjust the noise cancellation depending on the situation. In addition, they now have Bluetooth 5.0 to improve signal stability. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.